Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's still Thanksgiving. So I was scrolling on the gram and I came across Cafe Nofer, and you know they usually have like their Wing Wednesday special, but today's Thursday. Hi. Hi. So they're doing the $1 wing special today. Look at these beautiful wings.
Cute.
Woo! I ordered 30. Are we gonna eat them all right now? No, we are not. Yum! And they put them in this huge container, like it's crazy. And I actually ordered 32 because I ordered 2. Ooh, what in the world? Lemon pepper. Can you see this? I don't know. Okay, here, look. Lemon pepper. But these are sauce. There's like a bunch of sauce in here. Yeah. So let's give it a try. And really with all these wings, they gave me 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ranch. Come on now. Ready?
Hi.
What, honey?
I thought she said there was no lemon pepper, but she has normal pepper.
Hi.
Oh. Hey. Oh, I guess it's no lemon pepper, but it's regular pepper. Pepper wings? What is that? IDK. I don't know. But yeah, it's definitely peppery. Ranch. Here's what we're waiting on. Oh yeah, look at that beautiful drummy.
Thank you.
I have not had this for so long.
Thank you.
So, it's not that spicy though. So, the kids are drinking a chocolate milkshake. Alright, so the inside is not open for dine-in, but they have a window on the outside you can order. And they have their whole menu out there. And the prices are different from than if you were ordering them online via Postmates or whatever it is that they're on.
No.
Hmm?
I don't that.
It's good? Mmm. Mmm. I just wish I had gloves. It's more, it needs to be, it's a little dry sauce. Like there are some naked parts on here. They need to be drenched. And it's not very spicy. So you know I do buy these and make these at home, but it's just not the same. The buffalo sauce isn't the same, you know what I mean? Hmm? Not a fan.
Wow. Hi.
Hi. Can you get down, please?
Hi.
Hi. Honey, can you get down, please?
Jump.
No.
3,
Look. No, no, no. Abba, no.
She's climbing on the table.
Abba.
Mmm. All the sauce is at the bottom. Ooh. Yes. Oh my gosh, look. Is this going to focus? You can see it's drenched in sauce.
Hi.
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 Don't climb up there.
Hi. Hi.
Hi. No touchy. No touchy, please.
Hi.
No touchy. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes, mama. Honey bunny.
What are you doing? Take off? Take off jacket? Here, take off.
No. No. Hey. Hey.
Hold on, Baba. Hold on. Hold on. I wish I had some gloves. Then my nails are gonna be all nasty. But anyway, so if you guys ever get these and you have like extra, because obviously I'm not gonna eat 30 of these or whatever, you can throw them in the air fryer and they are good. Or even like 30 seconds in the microwave is still good. Woo! What's up, baby? And they don't get like dried out and weird, and they're still warm enough.
Yeah.
He's like playing around right here. Mmm. I ate 6 so far. I think I ate 2 more. I want to get these ones all at the bottom. Ooh, so much sauce is dripping. Mmm. Hey, Christina. Now with the more saucy and it's spicier. One time Vicky and I went and they were boneless. Same design but no bone in it. I actually preferred it. At first I was like, what the heck? And I was like, oh. It's actually like way better because then you can just eat it with a fork. Okay, last one, you guys. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Oh. They have good ranch here too.
Hi.
Hi. Oh. Hey. Hold on, mommy's almost done. Yummy. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I think I'm gonna stop eating for the night. 6:54 right now. I'll probably post this video Friday. You know what I'm saying? And you guys know what to do. Oh yeah, tell them. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the thumbs up button. Drop a comment down below. Hope everybody is having a great day today. And thank you so much for watching. All right, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.